5, 6, 7, and anti-spin around, and then hold at the bottom. 5, 6, 7, and one time around an anti-spin, and hold. 5, 6, 7, and one more time an anti-spin, and 5, 6, 7, and now one more time an anti-spin. And now this next time we're going to try 5 in a row. 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin. Second time, and third time, and fourth time, and fifth time. And come on down. And you're going to open to this position where the right's in front and the left's in back. And let's do this together for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go to both up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now go to right back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now go to both down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now right front, left back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right back, left front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both down. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now just go regular around, anti-spin, and down. 5, 6, 7. Repeat, anti-spin, and down. 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, and down. 5, 6, 7. Repeat, anti-spin, and down. 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, and down. And we're in together time, or at same time rather. And remember to have your hands in line with your legs, so not in front of you, but back here, in line with your body. And then what I want you to do is bring the right arm in front, left arm in back. You're opening your hip to the left, and you're scooping at the bottom of the turn with the left hand to keep it straight. And 5, 4, 3, 2. Now bring it up and over, now hold it here. Get nice lines, check your position, check your form, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then down and back to this other horizontal. Get it lined up, hold it, scooping with the left, pushing down into the ground with the right, hitting them at the same time. 5, 6, 7, and go up and over, and scooping down and back with the right, pushing down and forward with the left. 5, 6, 7, and down and switch, and hold. 5, 6, 7, and up and over, and hold. 5, 6, 7, and down and switch, and hold. 5, 6, 7, up and over, and hold. 5, 6, 7, down and switch, and hold. 5, 6, 7, up and over, and hold. 5, 6, 7, down and switch, and hold. 5, 6, 7, up and over, hold. 5, 6, 7, and down and switch, and 5, 6, 7, and up and over. 5, 6, 7, and down and switch, and 5, 6, 7, and up and over, and down.